Hello, Bacha Badi. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the Standard 9 Physics Chapter number 8 Motion. So, in the previous lecture, what we had studied, let's recall. Yeah. So, in the previous chapter, we had understand the physical quantity, that is a scalar and a vector, even that we had completed the distance, displacement, velocities, speed, accelerations, and the motion, which is of the two type, uniform and the non-uniform. Clear? After that, we had completed the graph. Here there is an between the time and the velocity. After that, the disposition and the velocity, even that the acceleration also graph we had understand. So in the previous lecture, I had asked you one question, that is it possible to find the graph from the velocity versus time? Okay. So when we want to find the displacement, clear? So suppose this is our graph and this is our displacement. Yeah, this is our velocity and this is the time graph. Velocity versus time graph is that. Yeah. So if you want to find the displacement, we just have to calculate the area. Yes, bacha bati. The area the things which travel from the initial velocity to the final, this is our initial point to that here, clear? So suppose that this is our A point is there, from A to O the thing is going to be a travel, this is our acceleration. So between here the area covered is our what? Yes, displacement. And displacement can be indicated by the S. Sir, suppose that the area or suppose that particle travel from particular some velocity, एक velocity से travel करना शुरू किया, then what we can do? So here also that we have to just calculate what area. But sir, how we can calculate the area? The question is arise. Clear? So for that, what we have to do? Just do it one parallel line, which is parallel to OC. Clear? So if you want to find the area of O A B C. So area of OABC is equal to what? Yes, bacha bati. It's the area of triangle. We can say triangle what? ABD. ABD plus area of what? Rectangle. Rectangle means what? It's a OADC. Okay, so we know very well that area means what? It's the displacement. So displacement is equals to what? Area of the triangle plus area of the rectangle. Means we can find the displacement from any of the graph of the acceleration. क्लियर? जितना एरिया कवर किया होगा ना वही हमारा क्या होगा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट बचा बाटी. ओके, सो लेट्स गो फर्दर. So our main important topic is now here, that heartbeat of this chapter, that equation of a motion, which is come in the further class also, that 11th 12th also, and even that when you are in the graduation level, on that time also this equation is come, both important one है. Clear? So look at here, equation of motion by graphical method. We will prove it here that how it comes. Clear? So first we can understand, first we know that which equation is there. कौन सा equation पहले हम जान लेते हैं. Clear? So v equals to u plus 80. Next equation is what? S equals to ut plus 1/2 80 square, and last and the final equation is that what? 2as equals to v square minus u square. Now question is arise that sir एक equation में क्यों नहीं हो सकता? Why we had taken the three equation of motion? So each equation there is an importance. Clear? This equation is for what? Yes, here is the velocity, so it's the velocity versus time. Clear? Equation for the velocity versus time, relation between the velocity and the time. Here we are indicating what? Relation. Clear? Now this equation is for what, sir? Here is what? Position. Position versus what here, bacha party? Yes, bacha party. Here is the time. Clear? Equation, relation between the position and the time equation. Clear? And the third and the final equation is for what? Position and what? Here is velocity. So each equation we can derive it here. Clear? This is most important equation. Further that will become in the further studies also. But in the exam there is a question can be asked that derive the equation of velocity versus time relation, or we can say the position versus time relation, or position versus velocity. One by one we will derive it. Clear, bacha party? Okay. So first of all we will draw here the graph, because this equation of motion is for graphical method. Clear? So here is our O point. Clear? And suppose that our travel from here, that A from B. Yeah. So first we are deriving what? Yes, equation of velocity time relation. Clear, bacha party? Now so here we are taking what? Velocity and here is the time. This is the velocity versus time graph. Okay. So we want to find what? Velocity over here. So what we are doing the next? So for that we have to find the velocity. Clear? Velocity means for the particle or the object can travel from here to the here. Clear? So for that we are going to find the slope, and we know very well that slope means what? It can be the y upon x. Clear? Or we can say that rise upon run. Okay, let's understand how. Clear? This is the mathematical representation of a slope, and further we are only go with this y by x, means what? Y axis and the x axis. Clear? Now the question arises that here is the starting point is for A and the initial or final point is B. So means what? Here is the initial velocity is u. Clear? that from the symbol representation we had already studied that initial velocity can be indicated through the u and the final velocity can be indicated through the v. Clear? So first of all we will make it here the line and here. So this can be the C, D and this is our point. Now the y upon x slope, for that we want to find the slope, so equal to y upon x. This is our y direction. Clear? So the velocity can be start from A to B. So we are taking the graph is rise from A to the B. So means what? This is the y-axis. So BD. We are taking what? BD. Clear? And x-axis. What we are taking? X-axis. Means what? It's a run from here to here. Means AD. AD. क्लियर बच्चा बाटे? यहाँ से यहाँ तक स्टार्ट हुआ. क्लियर? तो हम ये तो नहीं ले सकते. सो स्लोप लेने के लिए हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा? वाई एक्सिस एंड एक्स एक्सिस. फॉर दैट वाई एक्सिस इज BD and x axis is AD. Clear बच्चा बाटे? Now we have the value of AD because AD is parallel to OC. Means what? This is a time graph, but we don't have the value of BD. So for that, let's do it. How we can find? BC equal to what? Total BC equals to what? BD plus DC. From initially start from D to D and D to C is full what? Total BC. But what we want? We just want, yes, BD, because here is a BD. So what we are doing the next? BD equals to, or we can say what? BC. And this is the minus, this is a plus sign, which comes to here, it will be the minus BC equals to BD. Clear? So this can be written over here. So slope equals to BD means what? BC minus DC upon AD means it's the AD, and we know very well that the slope is what? That indicate the accelerations. So here we are writing the A. Clear bacha bate? Now what we are doing the next? Okay, so A equals to BC. BC means what? Bacha bate? BC. BC means what? It is equals to what? O2. Here point is something. We will place it E. Clear? Because these both line are parallel. So BC equal to OE. OE is what? It's our final velocity V. Clear? This is point our V, final velocity. Clear? And this is our initial velocity. So BC equals to V, since BC equals to what? OE, and O equals to V. Clear? Minus DC means what? DC. DC means it's equals to O, and OA is the initial velocity. It's a U upon AD means AD. AD is equals to what? OC, and it's the time relation. So it's a T. Here we can write it that AD equals to OC equals to T, and the DC equals to what? OA equals to U. Clear? Now this is the V minus U upon T. T goes here, so AT equals to V minus U. Clear? But what we want, look at here, we want just u equals to u plus v equal to u plus at. So we will subject the v at here, at, this minus goes this side, so it's a u. Clear? So what's the answer is come here, that v equals to 80 plus, or we can say u plus 80, u plus 80. Clear? So let's understand once again that what is there. We have taken the slope y upon x. Clear? So y means what? From a to b there is a y is bd. Okay, so we have write bd, and the x is what? Ad. Clear? So it is a ad. Now we want to find the bd. So bd is equals to, so bc equals to what? bd प्लस dc. पूरा हमें लेना है. क्लियर? तो उसमें से आधा आधा हो जाएगा. पूरा bc बराबर क्या होगा? bd प्लस dc. बट वी वांट bd, सो bd इक्वल टू dc माइनस bc माइनस dc. क्लियर हो जाए? नाउ we know very well that slope is indicate for what? Accelerations. So here is the symbol of accelerations is equals to bc minus bd, which is comes from here. Clear? Now bc equal to what? bc is the final velocity. Clear? And the dc equals to what? It's the initial velocity. Clear? So v minus u, and ad, clear, is ad is parallel to what? oc. Clear? And oc is the time t. Clear? So we had taken the t at the here, so at equals to v minus u. Clear bacha party? But what we want in the final equation here is that velocity time. So v equals to u plus at. So we had make it subject v at here, and u comes in the this side. So minus हो जाएगा plus. Clear? So v equals to u plus at, and this is our final equation. Bacha party, remember this equation, and this also that equation of velocity time relation. Clear? In the exam that can be asked in the both the way. Derive the equation v equal to u plus at, or that can be asked that derive the equation of velocity time relation. Clear bacha party? Write down or take the screenshot. Now the further two equation, it comes from this equation, is comes from this equation. Clear? So remember the final step of this equation that we will discuss in the further lecture. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. Goodbye.